How to turn off iPhone 11 and turn it back on. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to turn it off and turn it back on, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. Now to turn off the iPhone 11, you need to slide down your widgets option. Now simply slide down from the up, just like this. And after doing this, here you can find this power button at the top right here. Now simply tap on it. After tapping on it, your iPhone 11 will be turned off. And to turn it back on, simply keep on tapping onto this home button. Just onto your right side, there is a button, and keep on pressing on it and it will be opened. Now do the same process to turn it off and turn it back on. That's it. This is how you can turn off the iPhone 11 and turn it back on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.